Hey cutie, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily Jasmine. If you're new here, this is your moment to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today we are doing a little challenge or a little twerk sequence, if you will. It is only 2 times 8. It is just to see if your brain can connect to your muscle memory, because it is just bounces up and down basically, but in different little sequences. You can do this to any song. Let's hop right into it and see how you follow along. So we start with a up, down, down. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, down. Then we do the exact same little sequence. So we go up, down, down. Let's go again. 5, 6. We'll do 2 of them. Sorry, we'll do both of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, down, up, down, down. That was already the first time 8. So easy, right? We do up, down, down, up, down, down. Now we do 2 up, not a double up. We do up, down, down. So that looks something like this. Up, down, down. Let's do that together with the whole thing. So we had up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Let's try it without me saying a thing. I'll just count. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're almost there. Let's finish it. We did up, down, down. Now we do up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1. Yes? Let's try that from that second time 8 part. So the up, down, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. I know it's getting hard there, but we can do it. 5, 6, the same part. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1. Now let's try and do the whole thing. If this was a little bit too fast for you, absolutely fine. Just rewatch, rewind, whatever you need, or just pause it for a little bit, because that always helps as well to count it yourself and just go over it a few times yourself to get it into your body. We're doing it nice and slow now, but you can pick any song after this and try to do it to every single song that you listen to, because it is just 2 times 8. Let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now let us do it one more time, one last time, without me saying up, down, blah, blah, blah. I'm just gonna count. So this is all you, but you can still watch me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1. I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. Let me know in the comments how this little sequence went. And if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, make sure to subscribe. This is your moment. And obviously, if you're like, I cannot do any of these moves yet, I have a few online courses, so feel free to check out the description. I have a Twerk 101 course where I teach you all the basics and a few choreos. I have a 28 Days of Twerk course where I go over building a habit with you around twerk. And you can also obviously follow all my online classes on my online membership. So hope to see you back in some space of the internet, one little part of the internet, even if it's YouTube or one of my classes online. And hope to see you back for next week for next tutorial. Bye.